Good morning, peoples. How are you? Are you ready for the lesson? If yes, let's get started. Today's our new theme is general questions. Do, does. If you remember, we have learned all the questions. General questions and special questions. General questions there are do, does, and special questions there are what, when, how many, and so on. So today's we will talk about all about the general questions or common questions do does. Pupils, before we start our lesson, I'd like to ask you to open your copybook and write down the date. What is the date today? Today is the 2nd of April. Classwork, and we will write a theme with the green pen. Okay, general questions do does. So, what's general questions? How do you translate it into Russian? General questions. Это общие вопросы, да? Или вспомогательные глаголы. Do, does. Do, does questions are common in English. They are used as auxiliary verbs for negative statements or simple present questions. В каждое время в английском языке имеет свой вспомогательный глагол. Do, does, have, has. Ребята, давайте сегодня рассмотрим вспомогательные глаголы do, does. Does, когда мы говорим о ком-то в единственном числе. Он, она или оно. Do. Do для всех остальных случаев. Например, я, вы, мы, они. Теперь давайте look at this do, does. We will do some exercise. Okay? Look at the first picture. First picture. Complete these questions with do, does. Jennifer eat meat. Which one is correct? Do or does? Yeah, that's great. Why does? Because it does used in a third place, in a third person, right? Does пользуется только на третьем лице, да? А в остальных случаях пользуется что? Do. Молодцы. Теперь давайте делаем вот это упражнение. Смотрите картинку, первую картинку. Jennifer eats meat. Does Jennifer eat meat? Yes, she does. Do you live in Moscow? Yes, I do. So, peoples, this is your first task. We will write all this exercise on your copybook. Exercise 1, 2, 3, and 4 as well, okay? Do you understand it? That's great. And let's learn the negative form. В отрицательной форме. Как пишется в сокращенной форме? Don't или doesn't, да? For example, look at the first picture. Complete the sentence with don't, doesn't. John doesn't or John don't live in Canada? Which one is correct? Doesn't. Very good. Why? Because John it's in the third place or it's in the third person, right? John doesn't live in Canada. Next. The second picture. Look at the second picture. We will put don't or doesn't. Okay? Complete this sentence with the don't or doesn't. I don't or I doesn't speak French. Very good. I don't speak French. Да? Правильно, молодцы. this is also your second task. We will write it all this exercise on your copybook, and I will wait for your answers. Okay? Next, and pupils, please open your copybook and class book. Look at the second exercise on your class book on page number 97. Look at the first picture. Do you like yogurt? Yes, I do. А ты любишь йогурты? Да, я люблю. The next. Do you like carrots? No, I don't. Is it correct? Yeah. Because the you it's in a second person or in a second place. Next. What do you like? How do you translate it into Russian? А что ты любишь? I like yogurt. Я люблю йогурт. Then, people look at the third exercise. Look at the first picture. Sorry. Do you like yogurt? А ты любишь йогурт? Yes. We'll write it here. Yes, I do. The next. Do you like bread? Does she like a bread? No, she doesn't like a bread. Why? Because she looks like a sad, right? She's not happy. So, pupils, we will do this exercise on your copybook, and we will complete all this sentence, okay? And look at the fourth exercise. Look at the first picture. We will first we will make up the questions, then with the answers. Okay. First, do you like a meat? Yes, I do. Why? Because it's here. She's happy. We can see happy emojis. The second, does he like rice? Does he like rice? What kind of emojis you can see here? Happy, right? So does he like rice? Yes, he does. So pupils, we will also do this exercise on your copybook, and I will wait for your answers. Okay? So open your vocabulary now. We will write our new words. Write it down all these new words, then repeat it after me. Okay? Let's start. The first word, starters. 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 Это первое блюдо. The next. Main dishes. Main dishes. Main dishes. Main dishes. Это основные блюда. Основные блюда. Next. The third. Side dishes or sides. Side dishes. Side dishes. Side dishes. Sides – это у нас гарниры. Next. The fourth word. Beverages. 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 Это у нас напитки. The last word is sauce. 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 Это у нас соусы, да? So, peoples, we have learned all these new words, and write it down on your copybook. Our homework is workbook, page number 87, exercise 1 and 2. And we will learn by heart new words. Okay? Thank you for your attendance. Our time is up. I will wait for your answers. If you have any questions, please message me to direct. Alright? I will wait for your home task and answers as well. See you. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.